This is one of the soups that looks complicated but very easy and quick to make. The almighty seafood okra. Let's begin. Pour palm oil in a preheated pan. Saute some chopped onion and add your roughly blended pepper mix. You add red bell pepper, onion and scotch bonnet pepper. Fry for 3 minutes. Season with salt and seasoning powder. Then begin to drop in your marinated fresh fish. I'm using tilapia. You can use any fish you like. I only massaged the fish with seasoning powder and salt and covered for 3 minutes before putting that in. Then I added water and covered to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I removed the fish from the sauce. Then I added other seafoods like snail, prawn, crab, and crayfish. I mixed that together and covered that to cook for 5 minutes. Then going with your chopped okra, I have the finely chopped one added first to give my soup the creamy texture that I need. I mixed that properly, then I went in with the coarsely chopped okra second, a little bit of Cameroon pepper for heat. Then I began to drop in the cooked fish back into the pot. I mixed gently in order not to break up the fish. And lastly, I added the blanched kale. You can use uziza leaves, ugu or spinach as substitutes. Mixed well and you have your very simple and delicious seafood okra ready for you to serve. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.
From the stove to oven, every moment sweet. Saucepan bubbling, it's a foodie's beat. Grilling up love on a Friday Eve. In my kitchen kingdom you won't believe. Come cook with me and let's adore. In my kitchen wonderland, let's take a ride. TGIF kitchen, let's explore. Every recipe opens a door to flavors you've never seen before. Come cook with me and let's adore. TGIF kitchen, let's explore.